I don't need to change my stream key every time. Let's go. Yeah, baby, that's what I'm waiting for. That's what it's all about. Yeah, baby. Uh, Kessel, thank you for joining stream. All right, let me testing on it real quick. All right, cool. It's good. We're restarting an entire project I've already done before. Crazy work, I know, but it's on my main laptop, my school laptop, and I don't feel like getting it, so. Also, I don't have as good of a setup as I want, and I'm going to be tearing it down soon anyways, so I'm not dealing with that. Alright. Why can't I be consistent with my naming? I don't know why I can't be consistent with my naming. What do you mean? What? Boot up stream on my phone so I can read chat. Originally genius stream doing work and still feels done. Exactly. That's why we do it. Like that only time I ever get like a lot of editing done is when I stream my editing. That's why I haven't done it in forever. Good state. Oh, David. Okay. Friend chat. Okay. Each anyone else be output. We're just gonna put this. No, whatever happened. Bruh, I gotta consolidate. Dane DeVito and Ghibli deeply and Hondo. It's a crazy name seems over here. Why is it the first one? Get this bullcrap off my screen. I'm not using Copilot. Leave. Like I even there's like use Copilot. Like no, suck my ball. Alright, there we go. Should be running. I thought you had a name that you came up with by now. Forgot it was like a specific sworn name. It's been refreshing virtual environments for so long. I'm gonna close this real quick. We got it for real, for real. I gotta just like do stuff more often for real. Why is it reinstalling Linux, bro? Like the first time I've done anything that's like not like work related or sleeping in a while. Like the Python, please. It's the correct Python interpreter. So what this should do, right, is we have chat running. Is it running? I don't. Just refresh. Just run the code. This is right here to print. All right, I'm gonna put it in my Mac back here. It's too much in the way. Print. I got way too much free time. It's a blessing and a curse. Honestly, having too much free time really is a blessing and a curse. I am a professional programmer and I name my stuff very professionally. Why is it? There we go. There we go. It's finally actually doing stuff. Do you have two monitors? No, I sadly only have one. What I do is I have my phone like sitting like where like under my monitor, so I just have to check that pretty consistently to make sure I'm reading chat. You can hook me up for roof, bro. You gotta ship that shit. You know that. Cool. So what we need to do, right, is I don't remember how to do it, but I have to make it print to. I'm gonna make it print to a JSON file. I'm gonna do def chat retrieve. Boom. All right, and then do def chat wait. I had to write doc streams at some point, but where are you right now? No, again, just north. Yeah. I'm out and about in the nation. Doc strings are very important because I do those. And also, okay, there is a video I remember watching that is actually pretty useful. I'm gonna go find it. It was basically JSON and Python. Tech with Tim, let's go.
In this video, his look looks very similar to a Python.
Yeah, import JSON. Honestly, do not need to do that. I had a six set up at the moment. I have to be recovering a lot because I need to start working on editing. Editing is so much fun. I almost put up my current project, which I'm still working on. I have like it has 5 bits to it. I have 2 of it done, so I got like 35% of the project finished, I would say.
Python dictionary. You're going to see that I get all of the data here, except it's actually in a Python query to actually load data in get in there. So in the same way that we can load a string that is JSON data,
message equals. That is not what you want to do, guys. So do not put print that. Do message, and then we're gonna do message. Wait, that's probably about in this chat. YT just. Okay, cool. So we're gonna run the script again. You should follow my Twitch. I don't know how my code works. And now that's the fun of it. Streaming on Twitch, it's honestly better than streaming on YouTube in a lot of ways. But also, it's just like, probably just too brain dead to set it up. I feel that. Okay, so why it's not? Oh, cause I'm not calling the function yet. I'm just making a thunder function because it's what I'm used to.
we can dump a
I was supposed to do that. Run this up again. Data equals JSON.loads.
Python dictionary in
JSON underscore. So we have it, right? This right here. You know what? Screw it. Let's just put it shouldn't be multi-dimensional, but I don't care.
into JSON formats. Let me show you how we do that. Now we have a dictionary already. It's the data dictionary. Let's just add a key to it. So let's say data at test is equal to true. Okay, just a random key here. Now if I want to dump this into a JSON string, I can do the following.
The thing that's really confusing me right now is I'm not working with a list. I'm working with what is supposed to be a dictionary.
This is very simple. And see that this works. I can get all of
Oh, there we go. It's actually running this time. Bleh. retrieving chat like at all. It's not even retrieving chat at this point. Alright. What did I mess up? Okay, it caught that. Let's go. Just by the way, just get rid of this. Save that. Let's go run a debugger. Oh, okay, but I have an idea. Alright, cool. We're gonna step. Do I have to make it format into a JSON string? Because I think the issue I'm having with this thing right now is that it is not formatting into a JSON string whatsoever. Yeah. Oh, okay. That's great. That's great. That's great. It's poggers, sir. Go to chat. Okay, cool. It works way more consistently now. That's great. What this to do is work and not cause like a huge issue. Okay. Here's the thing, right? I want to format this to a JSON file, but the issue I'm having with that is that it, in a sense, outputs as a JSON file. Like it doesn't output as a JSON file. Like it outputs a JSON formatted string, but not formatted like well enough to where it's going to do what I want it to. So honestly, it might be easier just to go in and get the JSON format that I want. Like looking at this, look how JSON strings are formatted. I think I can figure it out. That's not right. I'm curious. It's not printing anything because there's no messages coming in. Okay. There we go. That looks good. So if I was to, let's quickly kill that program. All right, 2. Yup. The nice thing about this, it just doesn't fill up with a bunch of empty data, so. Just fill the slashes. Is it trying to do like slash line? What is it doing?
Of my students, I can also access, say, the first index.
Okay, let's run this again. I doubt it's gonna even boot. Oh, whoa. Hey, bro. Okay, cool. String indices must be. It's not a string though. It should be a string. Cool. Actually, let's just do it. Let's just do that. That string indices must be integers, not string. But it's supposed to be a JSON object. What? Mr. McDanger, bless you. Thank you. I appreciate it. Alright, cool. Like, everything I look at when it comes to how I do this, I'm doing like nearly exactly the same. Not what I wanted to do, like, at all. So I'm trying to think what is the best way to organize this. I could do a stack, and if I just do a stack, I can organize it until I find another. This is when I didn't pay attention to class, and it's the main thing I need to do is I need to figure out this, right? So if I do this, so let's say like I'm trying to find the thing that goes to this, right? Alright, I have an idea. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna just create our own little little object type. Honestly, I could type all that out, but also I could do this. Wow, it's really indifferent, but it's just nicely formatted, so I'm stealing it. That was very cool. That's going. So if I type something in chat, yo, it's going to bring it down here. So. But also, let me test something out real quick. Okay. Nah, okay. I ain't messing with the JSON stuff anymore because that is hurting my brain. So what we're just gonna do is what let's do is call this Let's chat. Moment. What we want me to do is create a data structure that looks like a you can do it. That's crazy. So we get this guy is like a Python dictionary. So see, the great thing about doing it the way I'm about to do it is I can name it whatever I want. So if I name it like chatter, and then I can c.get c.author.name. Cool, then I'm gonna do time. Do daytime, yeah. Okay. This is for school or for work or just for hobby? Yes. The current project I'm doing is for hobby. This is for YouTube chat, so I can create a more interactive thing to have fun with. I think I'll go just timestamp. I think. Also, it's kind of just useful as a programmer to know how JSON files work.
Index here.
Chatter. Do you have to not have a space between it? For context, I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh, you did. We're not talking about that. Alright, cool. Name, channel ID. That's not what I'm about. Type to value C. I'm not getting paid, but I think this is just a good thing to have in case they somehow do get people to donate on live stream. C dot is chat sponsor. Let's do is chat owner C dot author dot is chat moderator C dot C. Okay, wait. No. Chat JSON equals JSON dot dumps at moment and print chat JSON. I'm hoping this works for once. We're just gonna do message. That'd be a great thing to like know what I was doing right now. Like how to add to like a thing. I'm just gonna like make it so it can format, and then once it can format, it's going to send to something. So it's gonna send to a thing. Yeah. I'm making 0 sense. But it should be okay. But okay, we're not gonna have it do this, but we are gonna do is chat JSON print the class is a string, but it shouldn't. Ain't nobody praying for me. All right. It's a dictionary. Yeah, cool. I have a dictionary going. I want to convert this dictionary into a JSON object, right? Feel free to just send whatever message you want right now. I'm just testing. The JSON object must be string, bytes, or byte array, not dictionary. What? Okay, cool. Right. Cool. So it can't be a dictionary that I'm loading from. That's fine, but that is progress. So I'm gonna do that because I'm lazy. Just gonna run this again. It's gonna be going. I'm gonna be sending a error. I don't even know why. I don't even know what caused that issue right there. I don't. I should know more Python's gonna help out. Yeah, I'm kind of just doing the funny stuff right now. I can't even boot up the program right now. Honestly, what I'm doing isn't like crazy complex, right? It's just I have no idea what I'm doing. Like this is very simple code in the grand scheme of things. I don't know if I just found some like Is this the proper thing to do whatsoever? No. I'm gonna do it anyways. Yes. All right. Cool. So it says that it's raise from done. JSON.decoder, JSON decode error, expecting value, line 3, column 40, char 60. I don't know what it means by that. Crash it, yeah. Value. Let's say for right now, I'm just take this and just throw it in the depths of whatever. I don't care, but this is just a test. Isn't a value in the variable, not line, I guess? Yeah, I guess, but like. What value is expected? All right, this is where we run and debug. Send a chat message. Just go. Yep. Step into. Seek time. It goes chatter and then it goes time. And then it goes Tim, and then it goes time. I'm gonna try something real quick. Well, I barely have any idea what all that means. Neither do I, to be honest, really. Pip install JSON. All right, cool. Like. I'm drinking some Diet Coke right now, but all right. I mean, like, you're the one chatting. There could be two people watching. If I was to go check YouTube statistics, it would say there's two people watching, right? right now.
And you'll see that I get that individual student.
Oh, I have an idea. Because let's say we have the thing of arrays. Okay, let's get the arrays real quick. Let's go the arrays. And then we're going to stop this running and let's go here. Run this real quick. Never mind. For the video, we're just gonna get rid of this for now, right? We're gonna see what it does. You need to say it's what chatter is and what time it is. Do that. What? It's expecting that expecting value. Line 3, column 20, 26. What? Okay. What? Add it there. What? What? Let's just use this as a default for a second, and then I'm gonna do run this and say gonna crash it, of course it does. Very cool. We're gonna. I love it when it just prints it out. Spy controller, do a hand cam. Man, if I had a camera, I would. You're gonna catch. Oh, it didn't crash. So. I am a great programmer, and my teachers have never gotten mad at me for the way I code. It's not meant to be lit. So, what the main issue I'm running into right now is I'm trying to create a JSON file, right? It's supposed to be root in, welcome to stream. What I'm trying to do, right, is make this thing where it's like it is a JSON string. So I can put it into a JSON file, and then it will be easier to parse data from, right? I'm trying to make this an actual application that other people can use, and not just dumb thing that I can use, and only I can use. So the issue I'm running into right now is, even though this thing says it's getting the JSON format of it, it is not like actually going to do. Am I cracked at Python? No. I'm bad. I'm really bad. I have no idea what I'm doing. But okay, I have an idea. I've used other languages. I've used Python. I've used Java before. But that's about it. Let's run the code again. String G. I catch that the fact I sent G, or is it? Uh-oh. Oh, I didn't even send G. Use the closest the clusters. Yeah. I mean, I really should, at this point, learn it. It would be a great help. And I am learning it next semester for school, but type verify. What? I don't know why I'm doing this. Okay. Really should be like this goes here, right? So I go here, here, print that there. If that works, then should be printing. And then 4, and then equals 2. Cool, alright. Honestly, probably coding this in C++ would be better. So cursed. Cool, let's see. Oh, let's just say the separators is actually the backslash. Right, that is. You do backslash because this thing's stupid and broken. Backslash backslash. Okay, that should work, right? Because. Okay, look. Instead of doing. It would be a larger project. Python, luckily I've divided libraries set up the way I need it. Run it again. That's the same in the chat. Yeah. It's just whatever that current moment is empty. Why is it? So I'm trying to get it. Why is it create the slashes? What did you eat for breakfast? Great question. I don't remember. Pop-Tarts. I do not take care of myself. I have to get up early for work. Chat, what did you eat for breakfast today? Should I just make it a dictionary? You go to college? Yep, I am a boring college student.
Since I forgot to mention this, I did import the JSON library to be able to do this. This is built into the standard library of Python. This error here in our JSON string. This will give us an error as well. So just keep that in mind. If you're trying to load a string that's not valid JSON, that's not going to work. You're going to get an error. So in the same way that we can load a string that is JSON data, we can dump a Python dictionary into JSON format. So let me show you how we do that. And we have a dictionary already. It's the data dictionary. Let's just add a key to it. So let's say data at test is equal to true. Okay, just a random key here. Now if I want to dump this into a JSON string, I can do the following. So I'll just say new underscore JSON is equal to, and then I'm going to use JSON dot, and then this is going to be dump s, again, because we want a string, not a...
What? I may be stupid, right? Just slightly. I'm gonna hop off, not gonna lie. I hope you can achieve that you're trying to do. I ate a Z-bar and fruit snacks. Real king. I'm gonna, yeah, you know what? Screw, we're gonna name it Kathy. Kathy is going to equal a chat moment load. I make very normal named things. What is your opinion of students using ChatGPT for boring? Boring. They're nerds. They're it's just code. Crazy concept. It's just code. Like, if you're using ChatGPT to code, then why are you doing it? I don't. Oh wait, I forgot to put .json. Like, let's say it's not your major, right? We've used ChatGPT for documentation. I mean, like, I don't know. I kind of have like a complex when it comes to it. It's just code. I code because I think it's fun. And is documentation boring sometimes? Yeah. It can really be really boring sometimes. I'm just doing that because it actually worked. It actually worked. Yeah, we are cooking. Let's go. Alright, so the separators should not be this and this. It should be this and this. But it did work that time. Let's go. Let's go, alright. Yes! Ah, baby, that's what it's for. That's what it's all about. Yeah, baby, let's go. Why did not sentence type? Let type. So now with this, right, we can. This is irrelevant, right? What do you think about OP? Do you have a Razer or Tana? I think I do. I don't really remember. Check. I'm using Razer something. Yeah, I have a Razer or Tana V2. How did you know? Probably because my keyboard's right next to my mic. Parameters. Yeah, learning C++ for your job is nice. Oh, C#. Yeah, fair enough. Okay, please. Alright, cool. I'm gonna do. Cool, this doesn't maybe need it anymore. Okay, so do chat and name this raw. Chat loaded. Do you like to write comments before the code? I should also learn C++. It's an on and off thing for me. Yeah, though I'm working on a game in Unity, so C# is language. Yeah. Like it depends on what it is. Like if it's a docstring, I really tend to prefer just writing the docstring first, because once you get like really into the code, you kind of want to make sure you're following the purpose of that post if it was. If it's like something that needs its own function, then you should go write it's a new function for it. That's kind of how I approach things, especially with larger projects I've had. But I don't know. Don't trust me. I don't have a job for game development. I'm just a nerd who's only done like 2 semesters of Python. Let's see if this actually works now, right? But it's not. Okay.
A file. Then I'm going to put here the dictionary that I want to dump, which
Like, how big is an int? Isn't that like 4 bytes? I don't know. No, it's not 4. It is. It is 4 bytes. Let's go. What if we want to call chat JSON a string, whatever. Alright, hop off. Alright, see you, McDanger. Alright, and Dios, mi amigo. Already crashed. Okay, so for some reason, it's not liking the fact that I'm trying to do it. And honestly, I don't really care about doing that way anymore. Maybe I can be. Nah, I ain't giving moderator. I already have enough. When they're here, they're barely ever here anymore. All because I don't ever stream. And when I do stream, it's at the most random times, and no one's ever gonna like guess when or why. I forgot how to write a file. Like, once I'm gonna see it, I'm gonna remember it. But I literally Yeah, okay, I feel stupid now. You know what? Why? And then this is here, stream Mariel, this is put in here. It should not be like that. It's not a class. It should not be capitalized like that. What is the difference between is and equals in Python? It's the way it checks its typing. It is if equals is a direct comparison with it is if is a direct comparison. That's the best way I remember it. Is not. I think no, which one? One of them is a direct comparison, one of them isn't. Like if you had a float, say like 4 is if 4 is 4.0. That's different from if 4 equal 4.0. That's yeah. I really shouldn't do that. I don't need to do that. Oh, it just its syntax warning is with int literal do you mean equals if or yeah. That's right here. How big is a float? That is 8 bytes. If I remember correctly. I don't know. That's That's a double, sir? Bruh, okay. A double is... No way a float is 16. I'm pretty sure a double's smaller than a float. It depends on programming language as well. Great naming scheme right here. That's all right. We're just gonna do this. We're just gonna create a blank line right at the beginning, and you can't do anything about it. This one's gonna be append. Just gonna take this right here, copy paste that here. What is the time is it for me? It is like 7:05-ish. I mean, a double is 8 bytes. A double is a. I don't remember. Four bytes? Okay, I had to Google it real quick. So we're gonna run this real quick. Me chat initialize this map. I'm just gonna assume I spelled it correctly and move on with my life because I don't feel like. Files. History. I may have forgotten to do something. Why people watch coding streams? I don't know either. I don't know why I have 8 people. Wait, I'm just like, I had like 8 different people watching this at the same time. I'm like sitting here, no music, like just like a moving avatar in the bottom left. I'm appreciative for all the people watching now, but I don't know. I'm just doing it for fun. It's just. It's fun to interact. That is true. I am trying my best to make sure I interact with chat right now. So, and also this is for chat. So you guys, are you cranked to C++? So I have no idea if chat. So I'm gonna go to chat history. Let's go. It's adding these when I don't want it to, which I thought I accounted for, but I didn't. We've chat JSON. I'm gonna start it back up and then JavaScript, Python, and HTML based. Guys, you know what's gonna be the fun part about the next? We get to make an application so I can read it. Let's go. Why is it still It's currently empty. Let's go. So we send a chat message. Me? Are you asking make account or trip me? Because all my other projects are on other accounts. So that shouldn't. It's nowhere near as bad from what I was doing before. Having those brackets at all. Okay, what we're gonna do is here's a great idea. They're no longer using the other account. That's crazy. Cool, then we have this running, and then someone sends a message. Should update in real time. What? Why is it? Whoa. Why not? Going, if I get a chat message, it should update. There you go. It doesn't. Oh, okay, because I needed to. Maybe it should be separating out these. Because if I want it to be a proper JSON file, it has to separate those. But what do you? I appreciate it. I'm confused. What? View butting. Okay, cool. Wait, I gotta close this first. Close that. Okay, chat history. Let's go look at that real quick. Okay, that is not a good idea. All right, let's go back to that real quick. No, I'm not even gonna try and correct my spelling. You Polish? No, I just don't feel like typing. Dzień dobry, Maszczenia. Kidding, I'm not Polish. I can't speak the language at all. Concurrent viewers is 10. Why?
For JSON, comments on string, this will give us an error as well.
So we have the author. It would make more sense for this to not be that. What is wrong with this? Left side of comma is unused and has no left side of comma separated. This. This doesn't reason to. Just pop in to ask when the next toenail is. I'm not doing a toenail review. I told you this several times. It's expecting. No, don't tell me, don't tell me. No, wait, it's not.
So just keep that in mind. If you're trying to load a string that's not valid JSON, then it's not going to work. You're going to get an error. So in the same way that we can load a string that is JSON data, we can data file and get access to it as a Python dictionary. How would I do that? Well, it's very simple.
Bruh. Screw you, I'll be back next stream. I'm not doing a toenail review. We've been over this. I'm not giving. Okay. Confounds this new error. Okay. The thing I don't get right is, do I need a comma? Like, need a comma. Okay. So, does it need like a space? Left side of comment separator is unusing it. I don't know what's wrong with it. Wait a second, wait. JK, bro spammed. Boring, I use 5x. Okay, this is on my. Why are you. Okay. No, I'm gonna be about it. Wait. Right? Mr. Dummy account, who are you? I don't. Right. Oh, this should have been cleared. I'm gonna stop this real quick. Someone do know me? Probably not. Chat history. Oh, chat history.json. It's fine now. Okay, I was being a little stupid. What is the error? Okay, error is right here. It's when it boots up again. So what we should do is when it creates a string, it would be message. What's wrong with that? Okay, now I gotta do some formatting. Okay, bye for real this time on break. All right, enjoy your break. I'm so damn hungry. All right. What I gotta figure out is proper JSON formatting. That'd be a great start, but also, so we need to do. Sidetrack for a second. Okay, all right. What would be nice is, okay, so we have this, right? And then, okay, these 6 count, keep watching until the stream ends. Baller, you're gonna go. No! trying to figure out. What I want to be able to do is just parse. I just want to be able to parse the string and make it like simpler. I could actually easily do that. Is separate it by new line. Separate it based off brackets first, right? So actually, it would make sense for ChatRite to take care of parsing. So. See. Yeah. So what I'm working with here, right, is let's do this. And you know what? I'm not even gonna. I don't even need chatters to watch me just do to have chatting so I can test these. What? What? Oh yeah, this is really weird. I have a comma right there. But honestly, I would be using the entire string completely wrong. The split command completely wrong. I could just. Check something. String. I'm going to W3 schools because that is honestly one of the best places to learn code. I think. Any progress? A little bit. Returns trim version. Returns a tuple. Format specified value. Index. split string specified separator. Okay, I see what the issue is. This was separating and splitting the string by default. Any white space is. Okay, so what the issue was is I can separate it based off that. Question is since it's not gonna do what I want, I'm hoping that works. I don't know. Okay, cool. So what we're gonna do is formatting top. This is why I love having two monitors, because having a second monitor to have API like documentation API on a different screen is so nice. I cannot explain to you how nice it is. Formatting is equal to split of that. So it initializes, and then we want to what we're gonna do next is create a 3 and 2 running 0. I'm gonna do that again. Why? Good question. I don't really know either. And then I have format the insert search at index 0. It's going to be message. Or we're going to just say chat message. Format it like a Python string. But in that text, we're going to add tab. We have that going. I'm going to send a message. New message. Let's just do new message right now. There we go. All right, cool. It does 1 and 2. That message. And then what I'm gonna have it do for this one right here is chat message. It's gonna go there, and then it's go here, and then I do not know how to spell. Nope. Very cool. I'm gonna have add chat message, and I was gonna do tab. This is, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, one of the ugliest ways to code. This is awful. This is all beta code. I'm writing like tired as hell. So if you have any suggestions on how to not make this look ugly, be my guest. As long as it's not just mean, but like I want to format this in a better way so that the code is ugly, so that the JSON comes out cleaner. I'm okay with that. Is it the best way to do it? Absolutely not. You should not code like this, right? In 10 years, when eventually get in a scandal, they're going to point at this moment saying, this is some of the ugliest code I've ever seen. He is not a true programmer. I'm like, yeah, absolutely not. I have no idea what I'm doing. Tab. This. Wait, am I deleting a I just realized something, right? You can keep that in, right? But if I don't delete it, and then I just simply do formatting 1 equals, not equals, equals tab curly brace, that's gonna be a lot better. Because instead of deleting something twice just to re-add it back in, I'm doing this. And then that should create a new message, and if I was to run it right now and someone was to send a message, which is going to be me, and then run it, it should wish there's a way to write between the brackets. Because then on top of this, what I'm going to write this. Because I need it to be valid JSON. But if I do this, that is going to be signifying the end of the file. So I only want to add it when it's the end of the file, right? But this is a constantly updating document. So I don't really have an idea off the top of my head that would make it work. Okay, that's going to take me looking to reading and writing files. So I'll do that in a second. I just want to format this in a bit of a cleaner way. That's that. What is a chat message? Boom, it does that. It encapsulates all message. Alright, so I'm actually going to do we're gonna leave that is for right now. We're gonna undo this right here. Save it. We're gonna run it. So all chat should be running into this right now, unless it just running the code back up. Epic. So now that it's initialized, is it not chat history? Oh, okay, because I'm being a goober, that's why. Can't write. I'm gonna rerun it. This should clean out this one. Initialize should always be cleaning out the file. I am an excellent programmer and never make mistakes. What would make you think that? So now if there's a message that's sent in here, no, it's gonna have, we need, I already found a bug in it, all right. It's perfectly fine. That message. Rerun code. Yo, Paris, the white algorithm go brr. Honestly, so real. I don't know why it's suggesting this stream like at all. I literally just took my channel icon and put it up as the thumbnail because that's what I do for every coding stream. And I kind of just been coding. All I have like going for the stream is my decent mic quality and the little guy I made to move in the corner of our talk. That's it. That message. Right, this needs to be indented. Expect a comma. What do you expect? What am I coding? Good question. I don't really know. Okay, so I'm joking. What I'm trying to code is something that can read YouTube chat. Like as you can tell over here. Bro, what are you coding? It's checking a bunch of stuff. It's from a Python library called PyYT chat. I'm trying to make it so that it can read all the chat data and put it into a usable JSON file. But the way it gives that information is kind of doo-doo. No disrespect to whoever made it. He's obviously a much better programmer than I am. I just wish the formatting of this was a bit cleaner. So. is chat messaging? Oh, because I'm not putting. Okay. I see what I'm doing. I am a goober. That is the. Oh, yeah, if I don't get rid of the previous thing, I don't. Oh, yes, I'm. EHT charm. No, let me type it in chat real quick. EYT at. So, okay, there's only one bug now, and that's great. Like I said, okay, this end of file expected, right? What I need to figure out is my goofy needs to figure out what I could do is just not have that. Legitimately could not have that until it's detecting like a close-o file. Or it's Visual Studio. Who is this recommending to? I think I spoke Polish for 1 second. These funny could be. It looks like a Slavic language. Also, I also want to make a translator for chat, but that is not happening anytime soon. I love when I don't even understand what my own chat's saying. No, all right. So what we could do real quick, right? So we have this right here, right? So this is printing out what I wanted to print out. I'm not reading that. I don't know what I'm saying. So we have that. What we want to do next is with open. I think we'll just do raw, right? We just do raw like that. That's completely legal. Chat. Read line. Is Dujon. It's censored a message, but since I don't know what it's saying, I'm not like uncensoring it. Okay, let's just close this, do that, and then chat's gonna reopen itself. Okay, cool. Bro, this is Turkish. We don't understand. We're both Turkish from our usernames. I hope Turkish characters don't fuck with your code. If they do, they change your encoding and write it and build in functions. It doesn't mess with the code at all. My bad for being a dumb American and not knowing other languages. You chill. Honestly, I don't care that you're speaking another language in my chat. All I'm thinking is, man, I have no idea what they're saying. That's it. Legitimately. You really do not care. It's honestly a skill issue on my part. like open. If I really wanted to, I could just like take a second, like quick second from streaming, just go open Google and just go to Google Translate. It's not like a good translation, but my brother's cheating something. Funny thing that all these Turkish people had this video on the recommendation. Yeah, I'm surprised by that too. I don't know why. I said Dzień dobry mężczyźni for like 1 second, which is Polish, mind you. And it's just like, this sounds Turkish. I want to recommend it to a Turkish population. Like, also it's coding. You guys probably like coding. I really don't know where my stuff gets recommended to. Reopen the chat reader. Do you speak Turkish? Don't you speak Turkish? Speak Turkish. Yeah, that's why when I originally saw what message you're sending, I'm like, that seems Polish. It seems like at least a Slavic language. But oh, I'm being a freaking bleh. Nah, don't worry about it, it's file. YT is racist for real for YT. Okay, I may be a little silly little guy. I don't even really care because I'm getting viewers in watch time. That's scare the guys are being worried about not speaking Turkish. I don't speak Turkish because I'm a dumb American and they don't teach other languages. That's why. Mi español is no bueno. Mi polosco is also bad. I know like a couple words in Japanese, and that's just because I'm a weeb. Built-in method read line. Wait, did I not? Bruh. But if I can speak English, he must speak Turkish. Ah, yes. You're thinking like a real American now. That's not what I meant to. Yeah, I know. I know you're kidding. One. It's sensitive for some reason, but I don't care. Oh. Python JSON? Nah, I ain't using that. What I could do looking for it. Where's my ad blocker? I hate using Chrome. I gotta switch to Firefox soon. I try to have like a conversation. I have no idea what they're talking about. See, now I have a reason to make the translation module ad reader. Curious about the program, but I can't figure out these brackets and spelling mistakes. Okay, bro. I don't care. I'm literally just scrolling through chat and like translating. Okay. Alright. A lot of ones. I'm giving up on translating. That was a fun distraction for like half a second, but so I was hoping that I could just replace the thing, but so what the issue I'm running into right now is, right, is do I even need to close? Yeah, if I wanted to be used by the other program, I have to. What I could do is just pretend, but I'm not guaranteed to have. I wish I could like write within like specific confines of like a line. I don't have to. I'm gonna just put non sequitur and see if it helps. Seca. I'm just gonna. Why do I have 17 people watching this? I'm like silently staring at a computer screen with like a bit of code up there. Thank you all so much for stopping by. I don't know what you're doing though. Strict ignore replace causes replacement markers such as inserted data. I'm okay for those who are curious and are not just in chat and speaking Turkish. It's perfectly fine you're doing that. I don't really care. But I'm currently trying to develop this program for chat to be read and placed on screen for YouTube to make it look good. Because trust me, it's easy to put it on screen. It just looks ugly. YouTube chat looks incredibly ugly to me. So, rise up with my mouth, people leave, whatever. But I close my mouth, I get more viewers again. I'm just saying something. I'm just saying. No, that is independent. I just want to be able to like replace characters. Like if I wish there was a way to. What I could do is just close it and then okay. What this can do is just instead of it being chat, let's just say chat message.json. Then we go over here, this right, and we can close it off. So what do we need? Chat initialize. Over here. No, I'm just putting it here like this. I don't care. I want to do that, right? I'm gonna have it like this. What I'm gonna do for that is, God, this looking at this code is bad code. Just gonna get initialize and save this. So this should do, right, is instead of doing append, we're just gonna do write. So it's just gonna get rid of it every single time. And why that's important is a good question. Not going, it's a bunch of guys speaking. I'll stop messaging right as I need you. Alright, cool. So it's gonna have this going. Wait, I should probably have this. That's what it needs to rather. What the fuck did I just do? Run the code again. So it's going to have the proper formatting. So what it's going to do, right, is if might mess with the code actually. Is going to have this going, right? And it's going to have this. What it's going to do is it's going to add it to a database on the application that we're working on next. I'm taking a quick break. Quickly mute. I'll be right back. Yeah. All right. Chat message. Oh, I didn't. Let's see. I miss anything? Nothing I can understand. I'm back, guys, for anyone who missed me. All right. Next part is the fun part, and we have to create an application to get all this data. I never worked with Tinker before, so let me just check. I'm gonna do this in Ubuntu because I'd rather do it there. Okay. Shower. So I'm gonna do import Tinker. I never worked. I think I've worked like this with once before, but I know how. Well, I got viewers as I came back. Let's go. I don't know what chat's talking about. This is why I need to make a translation app. Yeah, I'm totally gonna get to that. Get this going. Yes, I just took a do I not have what? Pip install pkinter. Yes, typing. What? Bro, just check. Yeah, I kind of expected as much because when I've looked into it, you were talking about it. That's when I was actually translating. Did I do? You're not, honestly, you're having a normal conversation. I really don't see it as spamming. The spamming is like if it just keeps like sending a bunch of random letters and no actual meaning behind. Why is this? Okay, let me. I could just like horribly be misspelling something right now. It's exactly. To install pkinter. I should already have sudo apt sudo apt install sudo apt install python 3-tk. Alright, cool. So now that it's properly installed, like definitely. Oh, okay, look, it's working. Okay, you can't see it. Okay, let me get it booted up in OBS so you can. Code thing. Here's a little application. Oh, there it is. It's not capturing well. Like, root title of my first tinker going to be chat reader. Weird that it's not like actually showing its size. Like it's showing like a couple of things here and there. Like it's capturing the cursor, a lot. But oh, Gessel's back. Yep. Yes. But Go check Discord. Check Discord, bro. I don't have notifications on right now. Oh. Yeah. Hello. I'm not seeing any green on your side. So if you're talking, I cannot hear you. It's like probably it's not picking up audio.
No. Okay, I fixed it.
There we go.
Yay.
Hey. Yo.
Yay.
Yo Gusta.
Yeah.
You good.
Si, senor. I have a fan. I'm turning that fan off.
I gotta get some new case fans for my PC. It's kind of annoying me sometimes.
Yeah. Okay, I have your stream on in the background. That's what's going on.
Okay, I was wondering what you're tripping up for. Let's learn how T-Kinter works.
Yeah.
Yeah! What are you up to right now?
Literally nothing. I got I saw that you were on, and I was like, what if I interrupted his stream? It'd be so funny.
You see, it would be funny, but I'm just like, I have streaming mode turned on, like it does it automatically, so I just didn't catch it at all.
Both in Discord and IRL. Like I signed in and you were just like locked into. I was like, oh no, I'm gonna throw a train of thought off.
There's no train of thought. This motherfricker's empty, bro. I swear.
I was literally getting on to play Ready or Not or something to try to S rank. I haven't S ranked anything. I've been trying. I'm not good enough.
Fair enough.
I literally schizo talked to myself, and I thought that I, for whatever reason, projected that you would be schizo talking to yourself at this point. So I was like, we could schizo talk together.
Exactly.
That's the way to do it.
Bro, what are you coding again? What? Me coding? I don't know. Okay, we're finally getting to the app part of it where it's going to be visible.
Yeah, So true. I agree with this guy. What are you doing?
Alright, so for those who are coming back into chat for some reason, right? We have the application called Chat App. It is this little thing right here that runs in the background, right? What it does is it creates a chat message thing, right? It's only one message. Why? Because I'm lazy and I don't know how to make it close off and reopen itself on this bracket already. So I just gave up. So I just make it read one message at a time, and it's up to the application to this app to take all those messages in and filter them.
Okay. So wait, why do you have a GUI?
Because I want to be able to read chat. And I want a little application that pops up what chat's saying. Little videos.
That's so freaking pog. That's sick.
Yeah, and if I do my coding right, I can get a thing that translates chat for me, which has never been an issue. I never really needed it, but now my entire chat is speaking Turkish, and for context, the two random Turkish guys who met in chat and just been talking about school, I've translated a couple of messages in Google Translate, and I gave up. But they chill. I love them.
Story that's going on here. I was not expecting that.
Neither was I. I don't know why I have so many viewers on this stream. It is just the most low effort stream I've done in a while.
Do you have Lethal Company?
No. I meant to.
Games on your phone?
You got games on your phone? I got Bad Business Roblox.
You got Roblox.
Yeah.
Roblox, but honestly, I could get Roblox.
You could, yeah.
I vowed against Roblox. I'll get it.
Bro, just not want to get Roblox.
Bro, we love you too. I love this guy.
We love you too. We love him.
Why? Oh my.
I love it when it doesn't show me the games I actually play. It just shows me a large sponsored section. Just bro.
Goose duck.
All right, chat. We are getting heavily sidetracked right now.
Yes. No. You do your thing.
All right, look. we're gonna hit we're gonna hit a pod clip before I head back to coding. Oh wow, I love super jumping at high FPS. All right, we're gonna hit a clip and immediately go back to coding. How many kills am I at on this gun? Oh, I had a nice amount, whatever.
Oh wait, I'm supposed to download again. I forgot what we were doing for a sec.
Oh my god, you're literally ruining the clip. Hey,
I can sign in.
it's an online thing, bro. You gotta sign in. Alright.
Microsoft. Oh, can I just download it from Microsoft?
Okay.
Sign You don't play Minecraft for nothing.
I got Minecraft. You wanna play Minecraft?
How are we gonna play Minecraft?
I can probably talk my friends into letting you play in our modded server.
I would love to. I would be
Alright.
the bestest of sweetest of little boys. Staying with it.
The revolution will not be televised. Remember that, kids. Okay, so chat. Should I make a linked list for it to organize the messages in chat? Because if I make it a linked list, right, then it will.
Dang it.
Bro, that's not what a critical.
Okay, what is my name gonna be? I can't be on this wishy-washy business no more.
Yeah, I thought going with Zwantar. So what it will do is I want it to only show 10 messages at a time. So what it can do is it will link from message to message. Why is there a random ass white bar showing up on my screen? Probably because of Roblox. Or I'll fix that later. I just played it for the bit. So with the 10 chat messages, it will eventually disappear because something I've noticed when I've looked through a lot of old clips, like let me pull up a stream real quick.
How audible? Dude, I thought I made up that word for a second.
I don't know, you seem audible to me.
The word audible, and I meant to say like,
this is what a fricker's
audio soundable, and then I was like, no, audible. How audible is my keyboard typing?
Oh, your keyboard typing. I have no idea.
Oh, okay, that's good. Yeah, Roblox can access my microphone and my camera at any time. I don't mind. Okay, what do I type in?
On Roblox?
Yeah. Terminal escape room. Doodle World Carnival. Breaking point. Steal a brain rot. What is this?
Don't worry about it.
What did you make me download? Okay.
Virus.
Yes.
Bruh. Alright.
Ah, I see.
Alright, let's just.
I thought you were telling me to play a realistic soccer game. I was like,
I was sending you my username. So you could add me.
I typed it in, and the first thing that popped up was you, but below that was the realistic soccer stream. Huh.
Yeah. So okay, for the Twitch chat, for Twitch chat, for YouTube and for my chat reader, one thing I've noticed is messages so that the entire stream will stay. So this is when the CSS thing worked. Like it would make it cleaner. This is from the entire stream, right? So like here, I typed in woo, right? It just stayed throughout the entire stream because I didn't get enough messages throughout the stream. So I want it, and if I'm not going through clips and it just shows like the same chat sitting there, it just looks ugly to me, and it just it makes it noticeable how like unengaged my chat is throughout the stream. So that is kind of why I wanted to make it so it disappears over time and whatnot. Yeah.
Off-brand.
What?
Or whatever. What is it called? Is it cliff? Climb?
Oh, off climb.
Yeah.
1v1.
I forget what it's called, but I found an off-brand version of it, and
A peak.
peak. That's the word, peak.
So did you send a friend request yet?
Yeah, I did. Why is Jesus here? But it's Jesus. Yep.
Yeah, Jesus.
Okay, I sent you a friend request. Did it not send?
I forgot how to accept friend.
Look,
Usually,
all the names.
I typically reject them. Because I'm a kind of a famous YouTuber. I'm kind of a famous Roblox YouTuber. We're
Famous.
I'm kind of a niche celebrity. That's crazy.
I was too locked in looking at digital cats. I'll be honest with you.
Are you sleepy?
DB. DB799.
I'm gonna join a private server. You're gonna join me, all right? You're just gonna
Creations. I'm looking through this.
Please use some Chat GPT. I'm not using Chat GPT. All right, bro is leaving. Nice to meet you too. I hope you can come back again. I'm not getting sidetracked at all. So I joined a lobby, right? What you're gonna do, right, is you're gonna see in like the top of your screen is you're gonna have a friend, and you're gonna be able to join that friend.
Okay. So
Mm-hmm. So are you in like the main Roblox lobby? Not lobby. My main Roblox menu.
Does that answer your question? I texted. Yes, join. Hello.
Did I just create like a voice chat? What did
I think you did.
it? Join me, bro.
I'm gonna click the join button.
You gotta join, bro. You gotta join the party.
I clicked join.
You gotta join the experience. You gotta join my little experience.
Am I not?
You're not.
Oh, join. I had to click.
Yeah.
Literally just stupid.
You've never used Roblox before. It's alright. It's fine.
Never done this.
So, you got it.
Oh yeah. Wait, is it 1v1?
Yeah, we're just in a game by ourselves right now. It's just 1v1.
Going to not destroy you because the DPI is.
Oh, you can lower it. You can lower sense.
It should be up, just maybe not this high. I would lower it.
I may have tryharded this game at some point in my life, and it may have been like my main game for a while.
No, you just got it.
Yeah, I just play the game every so often.
Why can't I do it on full screen?
Just click F11. Oh. Or Alt Enter. You can also do that. Bros, why are we both at 160? We were like we're sitting at like the same ping for like half a second, and then you just went up.
I'm bad. Wait, no, that's worse.
I'm Batman.
I'm better.
I'm better. Like our pings will like match up for like half a sec. Oh wait, my pings. Oh, okay. I don't know where you are. I've been running back and forth.
Okay, I'm ready to go. I don't care if I accidentally click on some virus. I'll tab out. That's bad, but it doesn't matter.
Oh, there we go. I may play this game.
I'm better. I'm not better.
I'm better, I'm stronger, I'm smarter, I'm faster. I'm better. And everyone just starts clapping like, yes, you are.
Okay, yeah, no, I'm tabbing out. How do I not tab out?
You don't click alt tab. I hope that helps.
What do I do? No. No.
How do you keep alt tabbing out?
So, like, the cursor just goes off onto the other screen.
Oh,
It doesn't hold my cursor.
why is your... It shouldn't be doing that, bro.
Why?
I don't know what your problem is, because I don't know how you did it.
I don't... Oh, yeah, you don't have a monitor.
Yeah, no, even when I had two monitors, my thing would just stay locked in the center. I just don't know what your issue is.
Okay, somehow it still made me... What did I... How did I... Unplug the...
Hey, can I get a... Man, I didn't want this sandwich.
It'll be 2 seconds.
I'm holding several people hostage and I'm not gonna find it. I love this game simply because the movement tech is just really funny and stupid. I'm plugging what from the wall? The second... Unplugging the second monitor is not gonna help your situation, I can promise you that.
It worked, it fixed it. I take you for it. It fixed it. Yep, it fixed my problem.
How?
My mouse is moving on the other monitor, so by unplugging the other monitor from the wall, it just doesn't even recognize it in the computer. So now it doesn't go off the other monitor if there is no other monitor.
Okay, so you're keeping your mouse within the confines of the screen. Good job. That doesn't fix the root problem. It's like, man, I'm like dying, but I have a severe cough. So you take care of the severe cough. Like, bro.
Having just clicking on stuff on the other screen.
Yeah, so like your mouse is free roaming in the first monitor, but it would go to the second monitor because it was free roaming. It's still free roaming around your first monitor.
But not because I unplugged it, it doesn't recognize that the first monitor still exists anymore.
But
The update or the computer's drivers updated or whatever. Not drivers, whatever the flip, whatever. I don't know. But no, it doesn't recognize it as Are you still here?
No, I left.
I'm gonna talk.
Where'd you go? There's infinite bullets, you can use as many as you want.
How do I throw a grenade?
G.
Ah. It's even got that butterfly.
Yeah.
He's here to clown.
All the knives are the same. This one just has an extra inspect animation.
Oh, Keaton found this other.
What game?
Did you feel about it?
No, I don't really talk to him.
Fair enough. Yeah, that's completely understandable. You guys also kind of crazy sometimes. But it was wow. Okay, how do I get a different gun? This gun sucks.
Nah, you just skill shoot. Okay, so let's say you reset your character, you go to menu. So you see the loadouts thing? You can see on my stream, you go to loadouts, and then you can pick different like loadouts. And then you click on the main gun, and you can click on different guns. And since you're just like brand new, you only have a set number of guns.
Tragic.
I gotta finish all these guns.
Gotcha. Okay.
So like infinite boom. I'm gonna nerf myself. I suck at sniping.
Whoa.
That was like a clip that I had to work really hard for. I'm just gonna be honest with you, that took way too much effort. I had to like lock in for that.
I don't know how to commentate on this.
Neither do I. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna go clown and try and get a clip. You're literally ruining my clip.
I was gonna say, I'm like, when you shoot, like running, jumping off walls and stuff, and me, I'm just like stood still as a bull.
Yeah. Cause that's the way I play the game is entirely movement based and focused mainly on that. And that's really how you should play the game, is like increasing your movement as much as possible. But I can't aim for
I was gonna say, as by falling down a cliff, I survived.
Okay.
This reminds me of the old days.
Okay. I'm gonna. No, sadly you can't. All right, I'm gonna go for the Magnum. Oh, okay, my sense feels weird. Let's do something funny. Can I please? I can out movement all all I want, but if I can't land a single I'm okay, like I'm having great movement. Oh, it's part of the event that just never ended. Because they gave up on developing the game, and they just left it in the Halloween event. That's not even a joke, that's just straight up what happened. How did that not count as a torso shot? Okay, there we go.
Oh, that's the... Okay,
Oh, you switched to the foul? I would not recommend that.
Oh my gosh, I have to...
Alright. Alright. No way. Alright. I accidentally opened tab. That is... Alright, whatever.
It's going crazy on me.
I missed all of those shots. I cannot aim, bro. No. How is that? That wasn't a torso shot. I'm gonna crash out. Come here. I'm gonna switch to 9 for a sec. Alright, I'm getting my sniping skills back. I had to warm up. You're moving around slightly more than you used to, so I actually have to like aim. That did hit. Yeah, I could barely see the reticle, so I wasn't aiming. So, because as you can tell, snipers have a huge glint that reveals their location. I'm making mac and cheese, and nobody can stop me.
Making mac and cheese.
You want to see something really funny? That is not the really funny thing. This is the funny thing.
What the?
It's called movement.
It's like crazy, I just realized.
Yeah.
I got 10 rounds? Oh my gosh.
What is bro switching to?
Spray and pray, baby.
10 rounds, spray and pray. Don't typically go together.
In my book, it's automatic sniper rifle, I think they might.
I'm sitting with 7 rounds on my op right here.
Casual.
It's just a casual 7 rounds. We did not get sidetracked for a little coding adventure. I just need to take a break, you know? Bro, if you need to go to bed, go to bed. There's no rest for the wretched in a week.
There is no rest for those who want to S rank at least one mission.
You're not playing Ready or Not right now, though. Oh, why can I...
I'm gonna do Ready or Not.
When are we gonna be done here, bro? Because, like, the only time limit I have is till 10 when my future roommates show up. I'm like, oh, here's our room, by the way.
Oh, yeah. What? When
It's 8:36 for me. So I can keep bullying you for as long as I want.
do that for the next 2 hours? I got it. I could handle that mentally. You know what I downloaded?
What? Just get
Like, Translate Edition.
Oh, damn.
I've been meaning to play through it.
You gotta play through it. Make some content out of it. Yeah.
Oh, tonight might not be a good idea with how sleep deprived I am.
You should not be. Do not stream tonight, bro.
Plenty enough.
You're switching to like a full auto right weapon. Let's go.
What do we learn now?
I am one of the I'm not one of the best at this game, but I am an upper echelon. So do not. So don't feel bad when I just jump out of nowhere and snipe your ass. That is there's just the skill level on that. I have put too much time to this game to not be able to do that.
I have a buddy who play at his house.
Yeah.
Play all the time, like somewhere. It was every single day. As long as my house, every day playing. Just different games. And,
Yeah.
whatever reason. Yeah, it always seemed like we would always regularly be semi-even, and then you'd never actually end up winning a game, but like it would always start off semi-even, like neck and neck with me and him, and I was always like, at least I can put up a fight.
Give me a second. I gotta. You know, putting up the fight, that's all that matters sometimes. Why was that a light shot? Okay, wait, then flick. Okay, I'm out of ammo. Just gonna. I really should have died there, I'm gonna be honest with you. Bro, go to bed. This. What are you on? Butcher.
The yawn. Do you see? The yawn, it's like caffeine.
Shit, that's not how it works. It's not G. That's not how it works. Alright, I'm switching to full automatic. I get kind of bored of sniper.
Damn, I mean, yawn.
Yeah, nah. I'm tired too. Yeah, this is one of the better weapons in the game. I just kind of went to it because I'm like, I did a video over it. It was pretty fun. 3. I am so slow.
I'm just stabbing. I've just not stopped stabbing. Oh.
Butterfly clicking is the way. Whoop, 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 I'm gangsta. No, what I really think would save bad business is if they had emotes.
I agree.
First time ever playing the game. Oh my bad. I just saw someone running out with your knife, so I shot him down. I just saw it.
Grenade, in fact.
I just my brain actually shut down. I just saw a target. It was shooting. I'm not even kidding. This is exactly how my brain was thinking at that very moment. I was not conscious or aware. Oh yeah, if you get a backstab, it's an insta kill.
Oh, there. Why is there leaning?
Cause sometimes you need to lean.
I feel like it adds no.
It does. I've used it. It just makes it hard to get headshots if you use it while you're in a gunfight, because you're like swiveling your head around. It also keeps most of your body in cover.
He's bouncing around corners.
Yeah, because I may try harder on this game. Wanna know how to get up here? So what you gotta do is this is a technique called super jumping, right? So you prone up against a wall, and at the same time you press shift and okay, not at the same time, but you click shift and then jump at the in sequence. So then you like sprint and then you jump, right? So you.
What the? Oh, I thought it just instantly killed me.
No, it timed out. Anyways, by the way, there have been games where I've got 100 kills in a single round. So.
I good night. I think I might be done here.
Bro popped in for like 2 minutes. You don't want to learn how to super jump? Come on, bro.
I don't know. I would love to, but honestly, I don't think that my brain. Dead honest, I'm too tired.
So real, King. So.
How do I?
Just all the 4.
Oh, the 4. Banger. That works. That's true. Oh, I got plugged in my monitor. Dang it.
I love it when I'm reaching a tray of water instead of my reaching backups. And no, I'm not going to elaborate for stream. Do y'all not have a tray of water sitting in your fridge?
What?
What?
Who's it? What?
Do you not have like a tray of water sitting in your fridge?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
No, just a tray of water.
Yeah, a tray of water for my bread.
For your bread?
Yeah.
Why do you have a tray of water for bread? I just have a tray of water, that's it. For your tray of bread?
Obviously. 2 and 2 coincide.
Yeah.
Tray of bread. Yeah. Yeah.
I like that. So real, Kings. Speak the truth.
I'm too tired to speak the truth. I gotta watch through all of my and all of. I gotta edit. I don't know how to edit. I don't.
Neither do I, brother. I'm lying. A little bit.
Teach me how to edit.
Alright, what? No better time than the present. I'm just kidding. There could be a much better time than the present.
I was gonna say there is a much like sadly yes.
There's a much better time. The time is not now.
You're so right, but dang it, you're so wrong.
Sometimes there's a better time than now. Optimus hates like sometimes.
This is true sometimes. The devil? What the flipper do you
I'm just trying to put that code. If I can.
There we go.
I don't have to go to work at 6. I choose to. There's a difference.
Yeah, I actually don't go to work.
Right.
You know those memes about your unemployed friend.
Bro did not have to out himself like.
Thankfully, I'm not like extremely overweight or clinically insane.
I'm just clinically depressed.
Yeah, that's me too. I'll be
Alright. I've stream booted up for my next video project.
What is your next video project?
This monstrosity.
What is... That don't give me nothing. I gotta open up the stream.
Oh yeah, you should shoot that. Fake fan. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
So, why is my opera changing colors?
Your opera?
Browser.
Yeah, your browser changes colors.
It does. You're right.
I hope that helps.
Lord of the Rings playing.
Do you not want Lord of the Rings playing?
5 hours and 15 minutes. Whoa, that is a lot of coding stuff. What? I mean, not coding, editing. What the flip?
What do you mean? This is normal.
Flipperty gibbets. I gotta find a video worth editing.
By the way, I'm not even like close to done yet. I hope I.
Is DaVinci Resolve free?
Yeah, it's free.
DaVinci Resolve.
I love it. I love this. I love this moment right here so much.
Hey Outcast, what the frick am I supposed to add to this? Like what?
It's not that funny. I don't know why I think it's so funny.
No!
I can't.
What?
I'm sorry, I'm trying to download DaVinci now.
So real king. Fight on. Everybody tunes into the Outcast stream right now. Probably so confused.
Alright.
If you're tuning in and not confused, then you are a true fan.
I can't remember my gosh darn freaking phone number. Now I gotta.
You don't have to enter it.
I don't?
I can't.
But it's got the little star.
You can lie.
But then it's gonna send text to somebody else.
What?
Oh,
I'll just put in a fake number for now, I guess. Let's see.
you don't have to.
We'll see.
What?
Let's see if it sends me a text or if it. This is some pressing enter, but the form not pressing enter.
Yeah, it was definitely not.
Why have we got the ASMR mic? Let's move that back an inch. What's going on?
Good question. I love 3D animating. I love 3D.
Is it echoing for you?
Not really.
I got your stream open in the other window. I should either mute that tab or.
What is going on with your mic over there?
I'm so sorry. I'm trying to fix the way the filter's set because it was set in a way to not get in the camera's view, but now I want my mic not 2 inches
Trying
from
to
my
get 5
face.
guns to Damascus gold in a single round. Side note, this is also my LMG completion, but we don't need to talk about that. I didn't tell the whole truth. I only did 5 headshots in 1 round. This set required me to be 1 headshot
This is peak video editing right here.
short of Damascus gold on all of them.
That's Downcast's job. I ain't fucking doing that shit. Anyways.
Baby.
What?
That sound. What?
Remember life is a life history. bro, what?
Okay, I legitimately don't even know where to begin on filling this out, and I don't want to fill this out. What?
You don't just keep typing what? They do not care. Let's do.
You're so right. Register and download. DaVinci Resolve download. Windows Zip 11. Yes, it didn't even ask for nothing. You know what I got?
What?
Project Zomboid.
You know what I got?
What?
Shit, I don't fucking know.
I just got a hat on for some reason.
You got a hat? What?
I got a baseball cap on.
Epic.
Wait. Oh!
What was that about?
Check Discord.
I don't feel like it. If I had a camera on, I would turn it on so they could see me, but no, I don't have a camera on the setup.
Yep, it's pretty dark in here.
It's
And I'm
just.
also wearing a button up for some reason.
Hey, you just vibing right now. Oh my god.
I was gonna say, there's a nice button up that I can store for the ball.
I inspired to make my chat as confused as possible.
Uh-huh. You could show them this. This is the most banger of sweaters I've found in so... Not the right sweater, where the freak... Dude, where's my sweater? I just took it off. It was so hot.
Man.
I don't know where it is. It was a Virginia Wine Festival sweater.
Oh.
It was a good sweater. It had like a pretty painting on the back.
There's probably a better way to, like, label all of the stuff I'm about to be labeling. But, like, at the same time, I don't know it, so I'm not doing it.
Don't question what I'm doing.
I'm not. I don't have Discord
They
open.
didn't call him the Unabomber for no reason.
Hey, let's just be honest. I have the hair that fits it better.
Oh, great hair.
Oh, great heavens!
Great hair. Okay, you shouldn't have said that on the stream. I'm sorry. My confidence kicks in a little late sometimes.
Bro, you told me to think once. I don't. You told me to think twice. I don't even think once.
I didn't even think once. Look at my camera.
I know
Just
it's
like that, I'm a streamer.
such a professional streamer.
I'm getting lost in my own eyes.
I get lost in your eyes, so I understand.
I got so many funny things that I've just said to myself alone, and they're gone in the ether forever.
See, would I say to myself?
Turn blue.
What I say to myself when I'm by myself stays to myself.
Real. Except when I'm recording.
Yeah.
Why did it turn red? Ugh, that's menacing.
You can make it not change colors, bro.
I don't think I can.
What do you mean you don't think you
Maybe I
can?
can.
This is such engaging streaming stuff right here. I am hyper engaged with the chat right now.
Okay, I think it is set to this color now. Hey, that doesn't actually look bad.
Oh wait, yeah. Then I gotta go. Def if name
One sec. Name equals. How dare you, huh? Punk. Kidding.
I'm just a child with ADD.
Chat shower.
I finally started reading The Lord of the Rings.
All right, I'm finally looking.
Oh, dang it. I was going like this for like 15 a sec. Like a solid hour and a half. I started finally just
The funny part is that you were just waiting on me, and I just was like, "Hey, bro, I'll be there in like a minute." I didn't know you were like burning your eyes out. Yeah, 1 sec, bro.
So based. I died. Joe Baba! What the flip? Why is...
What is my little chat doing?
Now I'm back to trying to fix everything on this.
So real king, why is OBS not able to show the application I'm trying to run properly? It just looks like it's just capturing a bunch of like mouse points. I don't need to cap. I'm gonna do for code thing. Here, whatever. Capture mode.
Why is my little guy... Sorry, that was like ASMR.
There we go. I got the chat thing showing.
Why is it frozen?
Audio capture beta. Capture cursor. We do not need capture cursor. We need client area. I don't know client. Force SDR. I don't know. Anyways, okay. Look, now I have it showing. That's not what I wanted to do.
Bro, I'm trying to fix my OBS, but there's just a photo of me with this dumbass smirk on my face. I can't get it off the screen.
OBS.
I can't fix it. I give up already.
Go to bed.
Just like that. No, I don't want to go to bed yet. I'm defiant. I'm gonna pass out.
Go to bed.
No. I'm better. I'm strong. I forgot I was still recording. I'm stronger. Well, I'm not recording, but like I have a camera on.
What? You good? You? It sounded like you fell for a sec. Oh, I did not want to.
I did.
I did. I just wait. Okay.
Broke it.
I gotta get my mic arm set up when I move back to my new dorm.
I got a new roach.
I woke up in a new got. Alright.
I just panted at you though. Panted like a dog.
I was gonna laugh. You said I panted at you like a dog and just.
Okay, don't ever recite me.
I'm gonna clip that so fucking hard you can't stop me. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? From Tinkinter import.
Aha, look at that. That's gonna irritate me, but I got the new 4Gs on the bottoms. Huh? I might play some Lethal Company now.
Baller. Just boot up stream.
Should I try to play it silently in the background of your stream? Just get jump scared and scream. Dad heard me or something.
You could just you don't play silently. We just keep talking to each other on our own separate streams doing our own separate things. I think it'd be funny as hell. It's like, oh yeah, my friend's also streaming a completely different thing right now.
How loud is that?
How loud is what?
The fan.
Only I can only hear when you talk, and it's really not that big of an issue.
Okay, good. Wait, why is it doing the stupid censoring? I hate that. I hate the filtering. I hate the audio filter.
It's just all auto filters do that. Index parameter, TK option, data types, coupling widget. The window manager. Flash app, tk.frame. How about my peanuts?
On my peanuts.
I have never worked with tkinter before. I have no idea what I'm doing.
How bad is it?
How about is what?
My mic.
Your mic sounds fine to me, bro.
Sorry,
Oh.
I'm messing with it.
I do not need color chooser. Scrolled.
There's a little pop-up on the little cam.
Idle Python's integrated development and learning environment idle based on tkinter. What? Yeah, look at that. Idle.
I started streaming. That was the wrong button.
Draw graphics in TK window. Yeah.
Yeah, why not? Should I? I'm popping up as a little cameraman. I'm on the corner. I'm on the screen.
You gotta send me your Twitch, bro. I swear. If you're not sending me your Twitch right now,
EB799.
just send me the link, bro.
I guess I can do that.
I don't know how to spell. You're just throwing letters at me, bro.
Okay, you're right. I caved like an omelet. I don't know what that means.
You caved like an omelet.
That is what that means. There you go.
If the video ends,
No.
Maybe the ghost planted the fart inside of him.
that'd be funny.
Blinker check. Guy. Just bored. What do I join?
You're great question.
Where'd my Twitch chat go? Ooh, I don't know how to bring it back up.
Neither do I. Have fun.
You know what? I'm pulling a book straight from the U and putting it on my phone.
Look, when you don't have like a second, you should bring your second monitor back up.
Good night. I see him. Balls. Look at that. Okay. You guys can pick one though. Which one are we joining?
Alright, I gotta help you.
Street, come and chill. Tiny company.
Join now looks really interesting.
Join now.
What are those names? I'm not reading those names out. They're
Wow. Okay.
shenanigans, lethal comedy. They're 3 out of 4. That's a pretty good sign.
You wanna join lethal comedy?
You should join lethal comedy.
I'm joining lethal comedy. Dang it, they're full.
The game was lying to you.
That's how dare they?
One bird hunting eggs for breakfast. Friend interview is a crazy name. The Mad Patter YouTube. Crew do not swear. That is too late. Yeah, you can't join that, sir.
Accepting interviews.
I came here to play Lethal Company, not to get a real job. And now we're getting into the, like, I don't even know territory.
Boss only artifact cruiser jump.
Oh no, it let me join.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hello.
You're all good.
I can't hear it. Oh wait, yeah, because I have to unmute stream, and I'm not doing that.
No.
Alright.
I'm what?
Going back to the actual objective of my stream, right?
I gotta turn up the game volume. I can't do you. My bad. I got you. Getting jiggy with it, that's all I know. That's all I know.
I need to figure out like a dimensions for my little chat.
I have no clue what that means. I've played the game before once or twice. Oh gosh. Oh no. I joined the sweat server. Oh no. Oh, I'm getting pressured. I'm getting tag teamed. I'm pushing.
Alright.
Everybody here is a boss tag.
Alright. Okay, for stream, I'm ending right now.
I feel like there's racial dispute here.